வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. Hi viewers, today's topic is Term 1, Class 6, Unit 4, Ancient Cities of Tamilagam, Book Back Exercises and Question and Answer. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, which of the following region has a city more than 6,500 years old? Option A, Iraq. Option B, Indus Valley. Option C, Tamilagam. Option D, Tondai Mandalam. The correct answer is option A, Iraq. That is, Mesopotamian civilization is the oldest civilization in the world. Second one, which one of the following is a Tamil city? Option A, Iraq. Option B, Harappa. Option C, Mohenjo-daro. Option D, Kanjipuram. The correct answer is option D, Kanjipuram. Third one, which city is not related to the Bay of Bengal? Option A, Pumpugar. Option B, Tondi. Option C, Kurkai. Option D, Kanjipuram. The correct answer is option D, Kanjipuram. Fourth one, water management system of Tamils are known from A, Kallanai. B, tanks in Kanchipuram. C, Parakarma Pandian tank. D, River Kaveri. The correct answer is option D. That is, A and B are correct. Kallanai and tanks in Kanchipuram are the evidence for water management system of Tamils. Fifth one, which is not the oldest city among the following ones? Option A, Madurai. Option B, Kanchipuram. Option C, Pumpukar. Option D, Chennai. The correct answer is option D, Chennai. Sixth one, which city is related to Keeladi excavation? Option A, Madurai. Option B, Kanchipuram. Option C, Pumpukar. Option D, Harappa. The correct answer is option A, Madurai. Second Roman letter, tick the appropriate answer, match a statement with the reason. First one, statement. Goods were imported and exported from the city Pumpukar. Reason, Bay of Bengal was suitable for trading with neighboring countries. Option A, statement is correct but reason is wrong. Option B, statement and its reason are correct. Option C, statement is wrong but reason is correct. Option D, both are wrong. The correct answer is option B, statement and its reason are correct. Second one, statement A. Thirunavukarasar said, Kalvil Karayilanda. This statement refers to city Kanchipuram. Statement B. Hyun Sang said, Kanchipuram is one among the 7 sacred places of India. Statement C. Kalidasa said, Kanchipuram is the best city among the cities. Option A. Only A is correct. Option B. Only B is correct. Option C. Only C is correct. Option D. All are correct. The correct answer is option D, all are correct. That is, the 3 statements are correct. Third one, find out the correct statement. Statement A, Nalangadi, night shop. Statement B, Allangadi, day night shop. Statement C, ancient Roman coin factory was found at Pumpukar. Statement D, pearls were exported from Uvari near Kurkai. The correct answer is option D, that is, pearls were exported from Uvari near Kurkai. Other 3 are wrong. Fourth one, find out the wrong statement. Statement A, Megasthenes has mentioned Madurai in his account. Statement B, Hyun Sang came to the Tamil city of Kanchipuram. Statement C, Kovalan and Kannagi lived in Kanchipuram. Statement D, Iraq is mentioned in Pattinapalai. From these 4 statements, we should mark the wrong statement. So the answer is option C, Kovalan and Kannagi lived in Kanchipuram is the wrong statement because they lived in Pumpukar. Fifth one, find out the correct pair. Option A, Kudal Nagar, Pumpukar. Option B, Tunga Nagaram, Harappa. Option C, City of Education, Madurai. Option D, City of Temples, Kanjipuram. The correct pair is option D, City of Temples, Kanjipuram. Other 3 pairs are wrong. Sixth one, find out the wrong pair. Option A, Vadamalai, gold. Option B, Western Ghats, sandal. Option C, Southern Sea, pearls. Option D, Eastern Sea, agil. The wrong pair is option D, Eastern Sea, agil, because corals were imported from Eastern Sea. Roman letter 3, fill in the blanks. First one, Kanji Kailasanatha temple was built by. Answer is Rajasimha. Second one, Das is known as the city of temples. The answer is Kanji. Third one, Masatuan means Das. Answer is big trader. Fourth one, state true or false. First one, cultural relationship with the outside world developed in Pumpukar because of its trade relationship with it. Answer is true. Second one, women also purchased from Allangadi of Madurai without fear. Answer is true. Third one, many rock cut temples were made during the Pallava period. The answer is true. Fourth one, Bodhidharma belonged to Kanjipuram. The answer is true. Roman letter 5, answer in one word. First one, what do you know about the term export? So, export means selling goods to foreign countries. Second one, mention the epic and the Sangam poem you read in this lesson. Silapadigaraman Patinapalai. Third one, discuss the sources available to know about Tamil cities. Silapadigaraman Manimegalai. Fourth one, point out any one difference between a village and a city. Village, small size houses with a small population. City, big houses and factories with lakhs of people. Fifth one, which civilization is associated with the city Lothal? Indus Valley civilization. Sixth, name the oldest civilization of the world. Mesopotamian civilization. Sixth Roman letter, answer the following. First one, write a brief note on ancient cities of India. They were Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Second one, mention the ancient cities of Tamil Nadu. Pumbugar, Madurai and Kanchi. Third one, discuss the source available to know about Tamil cities. Silapadigaram, Manimegalai, Patinapalai, the writings of Kalidasa, Hayunsang, Arthasastra, Megasthenes. Fourth one, write about the kings who ruled Madurai. Pandyas, Cholas, Kalabras and Nayaks ruled Madurai. Fifth one, mention the other names of Madurai. Tunga Nagaram, Sangam Valartha Nagaram. Sixth one, what is the difference between Nalangadi and Allangadi? Nalangadi means day market, Allangadi means evening market. Seventh one, name the scholars who were born at Kanjipuram. Dharmabala, Jodhibalar, Sumadi and Bodhidharma were born in Kanji. Eighth one, which city is known as City of Lakes? Why? Kanji is known as City of Lakes because there were hundreds of lakes around the town Kanjipuram. Seventh Roman letter, HOTS, higher order thinking questions. Let me read out the questions. First one, write a short notes on Iraq. Second one, write a paragraph about the city Pumpukar with special reference to trade. Third one, write about the accounts given by scholars about Kanchi. Fourth one, give a short notes on temple city. Fifth one, Kanjipuram was famous for education. Prove this statement. Ninth Roman letter, answer grid. First one, Pumpukar was located on which river bank? Answer is Kaveri. Second, which Greek historian gave accounts about the Pandya kingdom? Answer is Megasthenes. Next one, Tirunavukarasar mentioned Kanji as Kalviyil Karayilanda Kanji. Next one, which district is known as the district of lakes? Kanjipuram. Next one, name the ancient city which had Tamil Sangam. Answer is Madurai. Madurai is called as Sangam Valartha Nagaram. To which Tamil kingdom did the southern districts of Tamil Nadu belong during the Sangam age? Answer is Pandyas. Next, what is the name of evening market during the Sangam age? Answer is Allangadi. Next one, what is trade? Trade means selling of surplus products. Next one, name a Sangam literary work. Answer is Silapadikaram. Next, name the Chinese traveller who stayed and studied in Nalanda University. Answer is Ayunsang. Name the temple built by Pallava king Rajasima at Kanchi. The answer is Kailasanatha temple. Next, name a port located on the shore of Bay of Bengal. You can write any one. Tondi, Pumpugar, Korkai. Next, Roman letter, map work. Mark the following places in South India map. Chennai, Madurai, Kanchipuram, Pumbugar, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.